Hi friends, today in our Krishna's world I am sharing with you bookmark. For this we need one sheet and scissor. First fold 4 folds and again fold like this and cut it 4 sheets and take one paper and fold again that, and don't fold it full, fold it to half and see how it I fold. You also fold like this and fold it to half and from another side again fold and from one side you need to fold again and from two sides you need to fold it and cut it both and fold it to half and again fold it and fold to middle and open and fold it again and see how and bookmark is ready. You don't understand means I will show you how to do it again. And these are all our childhood memories I like to share with you. And see, I did. And I will show you another craft. This is fortune teller. And see how I fold you need to do like this. And you need to fold from one side only. And again fold from middle. And open it and fold from one side. Like that, fold it from four sides also. See how I am doing, do it like this only. Don't do any mistake. You did mistake means try it again. And turn it around and fold from middle. And fold it and turn it around and fold from back side also. See, fold from back side also. From one side you need to fold to middle and another side also you need to fold it. Do it like this at four sides. And fold it to middle. And keep fingers in that paper. And you need to do like this what I did, see carefully. And you need to keep fingers on that paper. And try to open it. See how I am keeping the fingers to in. And open it like this. I am showing you clearly. And now you need to design it. Draw 1, 2, 3 numbers to 1 to 8. See where I am drawing the numbers, you need to draw it there only. And I have written 1 to 8 numbers. And fold it. And draw color names. And which color you like, write that color names. And you need to write 4 colors. Write it 4 sides. And after written that color names, open it to middle. See, I am showing you which colors are written. Open it and write which names you want. See, I am writing some animal names. And which name or animals or things you can written in it. After writing the names, see, clearly I am writing. I am writing some animal names. and write 8 animal names in it. And after writing animal names, you can just kidding your brother or sister. And write it 8 names in it. And write it clearly. After writing the animal names, close it. And how to close it? It is very simple to close. After closing, see, I am did 2 crafts. See how to use bookmarks, I am just showing you. I am showing you, you can design the bookmarks also. And this is today's video. And do like, share, subscribe, comment and share to your friends and family members. And you get any mistake means do it from first and see the video clearly and do it from first. Okay friends, bye, take care.